Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make an woolen bird. Let's start making. For that I have taken 3 different colors of thread. I have taken 25 pieces in 30 centimeter. For 30 centimeter I have cut this thread 25 pieces in 30 centimeter. So let's start. For the base I am taking white, so keep like this, and for the top one I am taking red like this. Okay, like this only I am going to keep. Before that let's tie a knot in the middle of the thread. In every color do like this and take a piece of thread and insert it in the middle and tie a knot here. Do the same for the 3 colors. For all the 3 colors in the middle we have tied a knot. So let's keep this white. As I said, I'm going to keep this at the bottom and this at the top. So like this. Like this you need to keep it, which is you're keeping like this. Fold this side and like this and do it like this and tie another knot here and here using a small thread here. Like this you need to put the knot and take a ball like this. I'll show you how to do this. I have taken a white cloth in a rectangle, in a square shape, and I have taken a tissue. Cut this tissue into half, because if it is excess it will be so big. We need in this size only you need, not too big or not too small. So crush this and make it as a ball and keep it in the middle of this and see if it is similar like this. If it is not similar, now cut some tissue and keep here in the middle and see, like this only it should be, in this like this, which is the same ball size only it should be. So now tie a knot around here like this. The excess of this. Like this, even it. Okay, after evened it, in the center of this, keep this middle like this. After keeping it, keep this ball here and cover it like this. Cover fully. The white ball should not be seen. See, like this you should cover. Like this the face will come. One layer should come on top. This double layer will come bottom. So tie using a thread. Tie a knot. See, like this you are gonna tie and see. Now cut the excess. Yes. Like this. Okay, see, spread it like this. Now we, like this, it should come in an oval manner, and as I said, the eyes both will come here and a beak used to come here. So using a glue, keep a dot here and straight to it keep some here, and now we are going to stick its eyes. See, like this black dot we are going to stick to its eyes. Some more glue here and here for the beak. Stick a dot again here, and the toothpick's corner, color it in a red color and cut like this, because this will be sharp like a beak. If you want, you can cut it in a paper also. Stick it and see, that's it. Our bird is so cute. And that's it. See, it's so cute, our two birds. Try this at your home and comment me below. If you don't subscribe my channel and click the bell icon next to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.